So how do seasonal peaks like spring and summer impact the customer's planning and workload?
It has a big impact because everything grows simultaneously. So in the four season, April, May, everything grows really fast. So you have to choose which task you will do. And therefore we have a solution that somebody can go outside, look before the work is done, where the priorities are lying and which tasks have more priority than other ones. So you only have to focus on the priorities. That's the most important thing in that period.
Yeah, so if we look at the different operational processes, which are the main ones when we talk about summer?
Weed maintenance on pavement is a very important one because on every pavement there's weed growing. And we have also a solution with image recognition, which can really help the people planning their work and based on, and prioritize their work, which is more needful at the time.